वज़ीर दाखिला मोहसिन नकवी तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
It is indeed an honor and privilege to welcome you on this important conference, hosted by Pakistan Anti-Narcotics Force under the shared vision of a drug-free world. Today, we stand united, not just as reps of our country, but as a frontline states in the global fight against this issue. Your presence here reflects our collective resolve to strengthen cooperation, share intelligence, and forge actionable strategies to combat drug trafficking and abuse. I sincerely believe that together we can turn the tide against this epidemic and safeguard the future of our youth and societies. On behalf of Government of Pakistan, I welcome all our delegates from the GCC states, and I hope your stay in Pakistan will be productive and memorable. Pakistan and the GCC countries are bound by ties of history, faith, shared values, and mutual respect. Honorable delegates, today we come together with a sense of urgency and responsibility. The global drug problem continues to evolve in scale, complexity, and impact. The Government of Pakistan stands ready to deepen its cooperation with the GCC states in every area of counter-narcotics. We seek to strengthen mechanisms for intelligence sharing, joint training, real-time coordination, and forensic and technological collaboration. Let us commit today to intensify our collaboration and renew our focus. Your support and partnership are key to the success of our common cause. Together, we can and must build a region that is safer, healthier, and free from the destructive influence of narcotics. Thank you once again for your participation, for your trust in Pakistan, and for your unwavering resolve to confront this challenge as partners and brothers. Thank you.
वफाकी वज़ीर दाखिला मोहसिन नकवी का तकरीब से खिताब जारी था।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।